The first we can.
Yeah, that's why the smoke. Yeah, that's normal.
That's normal.
No, this mix for always mix for the.
Okay.
Do not hold its hot.
Okay.
Maybe you will have like anoog.
Tell me if
Yeah,
I'm
yeah.
wrong.
For the start to cook, we can like always. Yeah.
Just swallow it.
Just no.
I don't see
Mix
it.
it, mix.
Mix.
Yeah, mix it.
You can over there, like a position over there, because the
Okay.
yeah it's going to your eyes.
Yeah.
It's over there.
Guys, morning guys.
You hold this one. A pot holder. This is a pot holder.
Apam guys
okay,
from
okay.
France.
Something like that.
Siya, guys,
Yeah, this, that one. This.
chicken adobo.
Yeah, always mix for the.
Like this?
Yeah.
It's like this?
Yeah, like this, always mix. Like
Okay.
going to first for the cooking in the.
Yeah.
But I hope enjoy your
Yeah.
mixing for the. And fire is. Oh? Ganahan ko yung makikistorya sa iyo.
Gani. Ginahan maguta mag-istorya sa mga kuan.
I'm very comfortable to talk to you
Uy, grabe.
because it's a very your English is very nice.
Oh, you
Yeah,
think?
not it's very hard. I pass to understand to your English.
Nice.
Yeah, like
I'm good.
yeah, I'm good. Good. Chef cook.
Good
We have a
cooker.
visitors
Yeah,
from
it's
French named Sister Camille.
Kamen.
Always mix. Like,
Okay,
like,
okay,
yeah.
okay. Whoa.
She is
Enjoy your mix. For that.
22 years old, I think.
22.
25.
25.
25. She's 25 years old.
No. Age in 32, but you look 25.
Yeah.
The nickname is 25.
It should be 29.
Taga-aron na yung kuray na gamay, da ka makaingkod sila. Mamin.
Sektor na kay para matrain ka dyan ba?
Mas is better like a Filipino position, like something like that. Don't like,
Okay. What's the Philippine position?
yeah, like something
No,
like that.
it's not good for your back.
But you're comfortable to your position. It's okay. Follow your position. Because you're
it's not good for your back. It's
yeah. I understand.
I know, I'm a physiotherapist. I have to.
Yeah. Oh, starting to okay.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Okay, more mix and more mix, more going to starting to cook for the chicken adobo, and you can test to your chicken adobo to your recipe. Filipino food, but not the chef cook is not Filipino.
Kuan na siguro si Jano, andad na siguro si Jano.
Hindi ka first time lang experience, Filipino experience.
Yeah.
First time niya na
This is your
nagluluto ng
unforgettable memory.
chicken adobo.
Yeah.
But it's okay,
Unforgettable
you can hold
moment.
and I mix. It's okay
Okay.
to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
For
hold.
me.
Yeah. Like something like that. More mix for the going to. I hope delicious later. Because the chef cook is from other country.
From France.
Visitor.
Our visitor from France.
Yeah. I'm not the first
She
visitor.
cook
Guapa
different
visitor.
style of
Guapa 25.
cooking.
Yeah. Do you have ever met other visitors here?
Yeah.
From
But-
France too or other countries?
Yeah, other
In
country.
Alegria,
No, not
Alegria
almost
Beach.
one.
There's so kuan. Mini Torres. Torres ba ba? Torres.
Mini tourist apam.
Yeah.
Apam.
Other visitor to coming here, not
Yeah.
same to you, not friendly, not socialized for the Filipino.
Okay.
But you is a very nice. You are
Yes,
socialized with
I'm
Filipino.
lucky.
Yeah, because your goal is experience for the Filipino.
Yeah.
Yeah, for the Filipino. Yeah.
Yeah. So, what's
I hope
next?
you understand to my English.
Yeah.
You put
You know how to
soy
cut,
sauce or
you know how to cut the onion?
Tanawan niya.
Pagkuhanan ng
Can,
kuan,
can,
pre.
yeah.
Hugasan ni planggana, pre. Diyan, kay para
wanna learn to cut the onion?
Yeah, I can learn. Yeah.
Hatag pa sir niya.
I have to hold again.
Oh, I hold and
I
oh,
can
okay.
do.
Okay.
Okay. I can.
Yeah, you can catch out for the
Okay.
Dapat gibot ng nag-asin. Para nasado.
Dili itong pwede. Filipino technique.
Mali siyang kuhan.
Filipino technique.
Okay.
Do you love salty foods?
What food?
Salty foods.
Third, yeah.
Mahutukon man siya. Pag muhutok na daw
It was
siya.
called Chris. Kay Paso or ba Chris?
ano guys si Christian surfer sa Tangbo.
Ay, very shy.
Trainer ni siya guys sa
Surfing,
Sa surfing.
ligamo.
Pinahan ko ba dyan food ka nga na ay
Si-
mga visitors?
Sila sa
Chris, kibalik.
kuan siya guys, instructor sa pagluto sa nan sa surfing. Grabing talent guys.
Chris, kibalik. Chris, nagkuhan na nimo. Tapakuluan. Chris,
Ha?
tapakuluan.
Waya, ani dya tubig ba sa ija mo, ang